How to install 4-light arc crystal drum chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Pass the fixture wires through tube and the iron frame. Screw tube onto the top of iron frame. Attach a quick link to connect the chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Attach short crystals, long crystals, and hooks. Then carefully hang all the crystals on the corresponding positions of iron frame. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.